Hi there, welcome. How many people are in your party? Just one, please. Right this way. Thank you. Here's your menu. Can I get you something to drink? Could I have a glass of water, please? Of course, thanks you. Are you ready to order? Yes, I think so. What can I get for you? I'll have the grilled chicken with fries. Great choice. Could I also get a side salad? Absolutely. Could you make it a little less spicy? Sure, no problem. And could I get the dressing on the side? Certainly. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. How's everything tasting? Everything is delicious, thank you. I'm glad to hear that. Excuse me, could I get the bill, please? Certainly, I'll bring it right over. Thank you. Can I pay by card? Of course, thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye, have a wonderful evening.